It's been almost 2 months that I ventured on the Rollercoin's Rollertap game journey, and today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be sharing my experience and showing you my progress of where I'm up to and showing you some new features within Rollertap. Stay tuned. Okay, so almost 2 months on Rollertap. Let's see my progress and the new quests that are now on. So on my screen here, you can see Rollertap. I've launched this through Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, you'll need to install Telegram for you to be able to get the Rollertap bot so that you can play the game, okay? So here you can see my progress. I'm currently at 452 million and I'm still at level 6. I have invested quite a bit, especially in the Bandit hamster card, which does bring you up a lot of passive income, okay? So if you go to shop here, you can see that for my Bandit hamster level 44 at the moment, okay, I'm currently making 1.679 million RCC tokens in an hour just with that card as passive income. Now, passive income will last me 3 hours and 40 minutes because I did get the special card and I got the healthy sleep up to level 3, so I've gained some passive income time there, okay? So you can obviously continue to upgrade that, but it does cost quite a bit for each and every level that you upgrade. I've maxed out Uncle's Blessing at level 50 with 25%. Dancing Plaguester, I got that up to level 3, but I mean, that's just going to save you from tapping so much. So when you get really high energy levels, you won't have to tap as much with that card. And Auntie's Joy, I'm at level 12, and that reduces the time of when that recharge button appears, okay? So here, for example, I've got 29 minutes remaining, and Auntie's Joy, when you upgrade that, it always reduces that by around 10 minutes, so you can get that sooner. So mine is currently at around 2 hours for that recharge button to appear, as opposed to the default 4 hours if you don't have the Auntie Joy card, okay? So level 6, my coin per tap is at 65 per tap. When I'm tapping, you can see I'm getting 260 each time, and that is because of the Dancing Plaguester card. I am making 3.471 million coins per hour as passive income with all of the cards that I do have. And I've got an energy level of 8,500. So each time I do the recharge, then that's going to go up to 8,500, and I can tap 8,500 times, or in my case, less than 8,500 times because I've got that Dancing Plaguester card. But nonetheless, I'm still getting the same amount of RCC tokens. I'd like to thank you all and give you a big shout out for all of you that have used my referral link to join Rollertap. I am currently on 76 friends. Thank you to all of you here in this list, and I hope that you are finding this Rollertap game interesting and that you are still holding on to hope that this will come to fruition and it will actually be integrated onto the Rollercoin game so that we can use those RCC tokens that we're gaining in the Rollercoin game as well. And I do believe that we will get there. It just takes a bit more time. The Rollercoin team have said we need 1 million users on Rollertap. The last time I checked, this was standing at around 200,000. It might be a bit more now. I'm not totally sure. If anyone of you knows how many Rollertap users are on Rollertap, please leave that down in the comment section below. I have asked the team if they can possibly add this into the game itself as a statistic, maybe as a leaderboard as well. Hopefully something will be done in that regard, and that we can actually see some proper statistics of how many users are actually on Rollertap as well. Genuine users, obviously, and not loads of fake accounts. Okay, so the team will be looking out for that as well. Something I wanted to mention is that in a recent update on Rollertap, I think it was like 2 days ago, new quests are now live as well. So you still have that daily reward, but it's not just the daily reward now. You've got other quests as well. So in the daily reward, obviously you go in every day and you collect the RCC coins for each and every day, and they increase for each and every day up to day 14. I've already been through one round at day 14, and now I've done day 2 again. So tomorrow will be day 3, and you always accumulate RCC coins, more RCC coins this way as well. Now, besides this, there are also other quests, like for example, get the 7th level of miner. I'm currently at level 6, okay? So when I get this stonks one and I get to level 7, I can claim 200 million. And that would be awesome and boost me up quite a lot as well, okay? But obviously in level 7, you will need not 1 billion, but 10 billion, okay, to get through level 7. But at least that's a bit of a boost, and that will help you out as well. Get the 8th level, which is this miner here, okay? And you'll get 2 billion, but then you'll need 100 billion in order to clear that level. So it's always going to get harder, but at least there is some sort of boost, small boost to help you out, okay? Get card Funny Hamster to level 50, same for all the other cards, level 50 or level 60, some of them as well. So for example, Handsome Hamster, there is, for example, Wizard, level 50 as well. There is the Bandit Hamster at level 60. So we know that this goes up to level 60, might go up higher, I don't know. But most of them are up to level 50 and some are at level 60. Now for the Bandit Hamster card, what I wanted to mention as well is that I actually stopped upgrading that card because you've got to be careful. Here at level 44, if I click this, it's not going to say now that my extra hourly earnings will be 200,000, 300,000, because that's the way it was up until level 43. You know, the next level, you know, at level 44, you're going to get like 200,000 or 300,000 extra an hour, and I only spent like 120 million, and that was a significant boost, okay? Here, to go to the next level, now it's dropped back down, so you've got to be careful. Don't keep on just spamming the get now, get now, get now. See what you're actually getting. It's going to give me now 4,300, so it's returned back to normal. Okay, like other cards, even worse than other cards. So now it's more beneficial for me to spend much less, even on the Pope Hamster, for example. 41, 2.3 million, and for the next level, I can get 1,814. Okay, so you got to see what you're going to get, really. So be careful, don't keep spamming the ones that you think they're cheap, because they might not be good value for money. I do have an Excel spreadsheet on this, and you can actually use that, and it is down in the link below. Feel free to use it, save a copy, amend it, make it better if you can make it better as well, and that will help you out to make these decisions easier, because it will highlight which one is currently the best value depending on all the cards that you have, okay? So right now for me, Mr. Hamster, for example, it will cost me 25 million to upgrade to the next level, and that will give me 20,000, okay? So that is much better than if I were to go for the Bandit Hamster right now in my current situation, okay? So be sure to look out for these things, and if you have not yet actually joined Rollertap, you can do so by using my link below, and when you use my link below, you will instantaneously get 2,000 RCC, and although that does not seem like a lot, when you're still starting out with Rollertap for the first level, that will definitely help you out to get through it faster as well. Just one last thing on the quest as well, besides getting the cards and getting to next levels and things like that, you can also do things like, for example, like on TikTok and on X, and join the official Telegram channel for Rollertap. These are very easy tasks to do, and you can get some significant amounts of coins. Okay, so that will definitely boost you up when you're still starting out as well, and it will help you get through the initial phases of the levels that you start off with. Okay, share, like, I've done all these. Join Rollertap on TikTok, join it on X, like it, repost it, do it all, okay? And you get all of these RCC tokens, all right? So that is pretty much it for this one. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.